Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be telling you about 10 international celebrities that are of Igbo origin. Several Nigerians are definitely doing themselves and their country proud. Here are a list of some celebrities that have made a name for themselves in the international scene and are of Igbo origin. At number 1 we have Nnamdi Azuma. Nnamdi Azuma is a former American football cornerback. He played college football for the University of California, Berkeley, and was drafted in the first round of the 2003 NFL draft by the Oakland Raiders. He is proudly Igbo. Nnamdi Azuma also played for the Philadelphia Eagles and the San Francisco 49ers, and he is a very popular figure in America. Second on the list is Chiwetel Aghafo. British actor Chiwetel Aghafo is one of the world's famed Nollywood faces, and he is of Igbo origin. He has featured in top movies including 12 Years a Slave, Secret in Their Eyes, Half of a Yellow Sun, The Martian, and others. The English actor, after enrolling at the National Youth Theatre in 1995 and attending the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Art at age 19, and 3 months into his course, Aghafo was cast by Steven Spielberg to play a supportive role in the movie Amistad. At number 3 is Tini Temper. Patrick Chukwuemeka Okogwu, better known by his stage name Tini Temper, is an English rapper, singer, songwriter and record producer. He has been signed to Parlophone Records since 2009, a subsidiary of Wena Music Group. He was recently in Nigeria and worked with a number of Nigerian artists and even had a local shoot with famed photographer T.Y. At number 4 is Ashley Madekwe. Ashley Madekwe is an English actress best known for her role as social climber Ashley Davenport on the ABC drama series Revenge. As of 2014, she stars as Tituba in the WGN American series Salem. She also played a role as a call girl in Bambi in the ITV2 series Secret Diary of It. Next on our list is Caroline Chikezie. Caroline Chikezie is a British actress best known for playing Sasha Williams in As If, Ellen Hardy in Footballers' Wives, and the cyber woman in Touchwood. She is proudly of Igbo origin. In recent years, she has gained popularity by playing the main character in the Nigerian. Number 6 on the list is Sunny Chidi. Sunny Chidi is an actor known for his role in Blood Diamond, a movie released in 2006, and District 9, a movie released in 2009, and also Hotel Rwanda in 2004. He also played a popular role in the movie Lord of War. It will shock you to know that Sunny Chidi is a proud Igbo. At number 7 we have Nonso Anozie. Nonso Anozie is an English actor who has worked on stage, film and television. He is of Igbo origin. Nonso played small roles as Think Tank in Guy Ritchie's film Rock and Roller and Frank Mace in Joe Wright's Atonement. He played the lead in Ccee, a 2008 British crime drama film recreating the life of Kcee, Pennant. In 2009, he appeared in the supporting cast of the BBC TV 3-part 2003 Iraq war drama Occupation, where he played a US Marine turned private military contractor. In 2011, he played Artus, a Zamoran pirate and close friend of Conan, in Conan the Barbarian. That year, he was also cast to play the role of Saroswan Dazos in the HBO series Game of Thrones and was cast as Jack. Number 8 on the list is Lemma Obika. Lemma Obika, professionally known simply as Lemma, is an English R&B singer, songwriter and record producer. Lemma has had a run of chart success in United Kingdom, Europe and Australia. He is of Igbo origin. Initially rising to fame after finishing third on the first series of British talent show Fame Academy, he was later signed to Sony BMG, where he has gone on to release 5 studio albums, 3 of which are certified platinum or double platinum by the British photographic industry. Number 9 on the list is Osi Owolabi. Osi Owolabi is an English-American former defensive end who played in the National Football League (NFL). He played college football for Troy University and was drafted by the New York Giants in the second round of the 2003 NFL draft. He is proudly Igbo. Omeyora was a two-time Pro Bowl selection and holds the Giants franchise record for most sacks. At number 10 on our list, we have Uzo Aduba. Uzo Aduba is an American actress and singer. She is known for her role as Susan in Crazy Eyes, Warren on the Netflix television series Orange is the New Black, for which she won a Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Guest Actress in a Comedy Series in 2014, a Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a Drama Series in 2015, and 2 Screen Actors Guild Awards for Outstanding Performance by a Female Actor in a Comedy Series in 2014 and 2015. She is the only actress to win Emmy Award recognition in both the comedy and drama genre for the same role. She is proudly Igbo by origin. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like, share, and drop your comments right in the comment section, because your thoughts and views on these particular videos are very welcome. Until next time, thank you.